In today's lesson, I would like to introduce how to add furniture in Vectorworks. In this image, you can see how I have already added a few things. A stool with table, the bed, and the fireplace. And here also I have the steps already added. So, okay, let me explain very shortly about would be this lesson. I just jump to right isometric view, make a few adjustments, rid up of this gray view by going to design layer. Also, I make this normal perspective. By the way, this previous Vectorworks drawing I did before, and let me continue to improve this image. Okay, so let's jump to furniture. Okay, let's continue our lesson. So, as you can see here at this eyeball icon, I have some saved views. Perspective, front view with light, isometric top view. If I jump to press top view, I will have this one, and here is too much details, dimensions, all stuff. I think it's too much what I can do. For example, how I can edit or change. If I go my visibility and add dimensions, this first row, I click and then here the cross appears. You see my dimensions disappears, but it's not that all. How I can do that I can open this view such as without dimensions, and in order to do this I need to go again to saved views, top view, sorry, I made a mistake, but don't worry, I go to edit view, and you see the organization panel appears. Here is a bunch of things, let's say such classes, design layer, stories, sheet layer, viewports, saved views. And if I mark the saved view, click OK and press delete. and sorry, let's jump again by clicking Ctrl Z. If I have now two top views, but I need to delete them both, click delete. Are you sure I want to delete the top view? Click yes, and this one top view delete again, yes, and now click OK. And when I click on dimensions and hide all dimensions, and now I can go to saved views, and you remember it was top view, but just don't see nothing, and click save view and click OK. And now when let's say I can go to perspective, but now when I go again to saved views, and here at untitled view I have what I want, the view without dimensions, just what I can now to do, how I can edit to better recognize this saved view. I can edit, and here at organization I can go to edit, and here at edit saved view I just can simply type top view and click OK. OK again, and now you see top view is here. This is what I want. So let's go further and see what's next. Let's make a little bit small trip in this model by going to different views. For example, if I go with right isometric view, make some adjustments here at projection, I will choose a wide perspective, and of course I will change to open geolocation view. So now we can see more clearly what we have now, and by pressing Ctrl on keyboard we can rotate, and we can see by scrolling the wheel we can navigate with my model. Here at first room or foyer I have only one table with 6 stools. Second, next room, it should be the kitchen, and here I already added the one more table, smaller and more kitchen equipment, but not finished yet. What I would like to show you, if I change from this wide perspective view to let's say normal perspective, you can see the difference. And if I change from this normal to narrow perspective, you see the difference as well. And in my opinion, the best way to choose is to choose wide perspective. And if I scroll down here, see more better view. And lastly, you see here should be the bathroom. Here we have the bedroom, and here should be the bathroom. Let's see from top view, which would be this one place. So let's see how we can add or place here the bath.